I have this gift for you, and one for me. I think some of you can guess what mine is, but your gift, I can't imagine any of you will see this coming. I didn't want this old table the day I found it in the thrift store, but the price was too hard to resist, even with the damage, $4.99. This is a very basic vintage teak table, and with the cheapest orbital sander I could find on Amazon, some finish remover, and a few hours of work, I think I can turn this second-hand piece into something that will be cherished for a long time. I can't imagine that you overlooked the bold statement in the video thumbnail, that furniture heals. I'll get to that in a moment. I purchased this small table not knowing if I'd ever create a restoration video. I saw this as more of an opportunity to develop my skills, since I don't recall ever refinishing teak. The manufacturing date was difficult to read, but based on the more modern hardware and Phillips head screws, I believe this is, in fact, a furniture piece from the late 1970s. Teak is considered to be one of the strongest hardwoods and is exceptionally durable and resistant to rotting and warping. Although used for boat building for centuries, teak was especially popular with Scandinavian furniture makers during the mid-century era. It was difficult for me to determine if this was a failed lacquer finish or just a traditional oil finish like Danish oil or teak oil, so to be safe, I'll apply this eco-friendly QCS finish remover. I'll cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for about an hour, then scrape off the excess and scrub it clean with the QCS surface cleanser. The top of this table is covered with thin strips of teak veneer. Sometimes I'll remove old finishes with a carbide scraper, but a scraper will likely cause more damage since the direction of the grain varies. This channel has reached tremendous milestones this year thanks to many of you, but it's also been a difficult year for many other reasons. The highs and lows aren't just unique to me. I think we all experience that. In fact, many people around me suffered great losses recently, far beyond what I could ever imagine. Although many of you don't care for ad placements and sponsored deals, they've been a blessing to me and have allowed me to choose meaningful projects and share whatever thoughts I wish to share with you. I don't actually believe that furniture alone heals, but the process of taking on difficult challenges related to furniture has been therapeutic. This extends far beyond just furniture. Many of you find healing through crafts, art, sewing, or even just writing. That doesn't mean we're always working on something to find healing. Sometimes our work can be used to encourage someone else during a difficult time. It often brings so much joy to use our skills to find ways to give back to others. Here I'm addressing the area of greatest concern, this large stain on the tabletop. I'll attempt to raise the grain and pull the stain from the fibers of the wood using this iron set on medium to high heat. A damp cloth will help absorb the stain. A colored cloth may introduce new dye stains from the fabric, so I'll use this white cloth. I'll pass the iron over the area for no more than 5 to 10 seconds at a time, then slowly sand the raised fibers. I'm fortunate to have several nice sanders in my workshop, but I purchased this orbital sander from Amazon for $29. I was actually very impressed with it and was reminded that refinishing furniture can be done on a budget. I'll link this and the other tools in the video description. Regarding the damage, I was able to remove most of the stain. This area will be visible in the final reveal, but I'll do my best to conceal it. Many of us aren't even drawn to small imperfections like this unless they are brought to our attention. I'm ready to open these gifts, but I do want to genuinely thank Birch Living for sponsoring this video. Birch Living has been supporting my channel for several years, and this Birch Luxe mattress is a premium upgrade to their original, well-loved natural birch mattress. I've had a chance to use this mattress during the hottest months of the summer, and surprisingly, with its organic materials, this mattress has kept me nice and cool while I sleep. Now, here in Wisconsin during the winter months, I can also rely on this mattress to keep me nice and warm while I sleep. To be certain that Birch is the right fit for you, Birch offers a 100-night sleep trial and a 25-year warranty. I spend a lot of time traveling, and what I often look forward to the most is returning home and getting a good night's rest in my own bed. The Birch Luxe mattress is comprised of 8 different layers of organic cashmere, organic wool, organic cotton, and 100% natural latex. I love my Birch Luxe mattress, and I can honestly say this is the best mattress I've ever owned. One of the best parts is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your door, free within the US. They also offer in-home setup and removal to make your buying experience as convenient as possible. Once again, I love having a Birch mattress, and I think you would too. They are currently running their end of the year sale, so now is the time to upgrade your sleep with 25% off a Birch mattress, plus 2 free EcoRest pillows. Visit birchliving.com/MadCityModern or scan the QR code on the screen to find out more about this limited time offer. By supporting Birch Living, you're supporting my channel, and I can't thank you enough. This gift for you is a basic face grain board I pieced together from scraps of walnut. The tangible portion of this gift will remain here in my shop, visible in future videos, but the real gift is an opportunity for you. You see, over the years, many of you have encouraged me by sending gifts, postcards, and even letters. I've enjoyed sharing my own stories in my videos, but I've especially valued the stories that so many of you have chosen to share with me. Stories have a unique way of encouraging us and bringing us together, so I wish for you to write to me and share your stories. It can be about anything: furniture, family, hardships, or anything else you wish to share from your heart. And with each new video in this new year, your letters will be placed here, with your personal information concealed, of course. And as I continue to create new videos, I'll do my best to incorporate your stories into my future videos. I hope this gift is an opportunity should you choose to accept. I'll finish this piece with a simple tung oil, and the gift from you to me is this: an award for reaching a major milestone this year, 100,000 subscribers. The piece itself means very little to me. In fact, I considered not even showing it, but it's as much yours as it is mine, and I can't thank you enough for believing in me and supporting me for these last 3 years of this journey. I find it interesting that the lessons I often speak of learning from each of my restoration projects are life lessons you might teach a small child, things that should be more than obvious as an adult. Yet with each moment of difficulty, I feel that the lessons are needed now more than ever. With age often comes wisdom to discern, but I'm beginning to realize there will always be room for improvement until the day I no longer am able to do this work. Furniture alone doesn't offer much healing, but when paired with the special memories associated with each unique piece, we are left with the tangible objects in our homes that serve as daily reminders of days gone by. My name is Barry, and thank you for joining me. Goodbye for now.